Think you missed out on Binance? This could be your second chance. BlockchainFX is the next big thing in cryptocurrency trading. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is the landing page of BlockchainFX. Link to this will be in the description of the video. It is quickly gaining traction as one of the most promising crypto pre-sales of 2025. Now, with those major indicators that are pointing to significant growth potential, it is backed by live platform data and already generating real revenue. So guys, BlockchainFX isn't just another vaporware promise. It's a fully functioning ecosystem that is trusted by a fast-growing user base out there. Now, currently in its early stages, the BFX presale offers a super low entry cost with that massive upside. But time is limited and the price increases with every new round. So momentum is building fast, and this is a rare opportunity for you guys to get in before the broader market catches on. So unlike any typical pre-sales out there, guys, BlockchainFX operates on a revenue sharing model where up to 70% of trading fees are distributed to BFX token holders, and payouts are going to be made automatically in USDT. It provides consistent passive income directly to wallets without staking or complex claims. So those are the top things that I feel really confident about. So you got to go ahead and check this one out. Of course, do your own research. That way you would know what you're getting yourself into. So you could also explore and check out all those benefits as well as the value propositions that BlockchainFX will be able to offer. So additional perks also include the whale-friendly features, the bonus NFTs, and a soon-to-launch Visa card integration. And that is going to be super big, guys. That will give users real-world utility and access to crypto spending power. So it's a project that's also combining utility, reward, and accessibility in one powerful package. So you could also use YT30 to receive that 30% more BFX tokens. But guys, you gotta act fast because this bonus is for a limited time only. So you go ahead and visit BlockchainFX, guys. Link to this will be in the description of the video, and secure your position in what many are calling the top crypto presale of 2025. Whether you are a long-term investor or basically a savvy early adopter, BFX offers the kind of early stage opportunity that doesn't come around often. So again, make sure to check them out. There's a ton of information in their website that will definitely be very helpful for you to get to know them better. Click on that white paper and it will take you directly to where this is. Okay, when you click on access white paper, it will show you the PDF file. So this is actually a great place to start doing your research, guys, because it has a ton of information that will definitely be very helpful for you to get to know them better and see for yourself. You know, what are the value propositions? What are the benefits that you will get when you participate with the BFX tokens? It is available here in their white paper. And of course, let me show you how it looks like when you are logged in. So this is how it looks like inside, guys. Okay, you can go ahead and check them out. You have the total portfolio right here. Okay, you have the trading history. Okay, if you have made trades, it will appear all here, all positions. You have blitz positions, binary positions, digital options, and a lot more. Okay, you have chats and support. Okay, so again, guys, support is always crucial, and that is also what I like about BlockchainFX, is because they value their users very much. So guys, you will be able to check out your net P&L as well, so your profit and loss and your equity. Go ahead and check those one out as well. So market analysis is also here. Okay, you can check those one out. You have popular assets, AED to Canada. So Australian dollar to Canadian dollar is one gold right here. So go ahead and click on that one. So you will be able to check out all the graph and you zoom in just like any other online trading platforms. But again, guys, this has, in my honest opinion, and I would, of course, let you decide on, what you think about this. But guys, in my honest opinion, this is well made. And there's a lot of information that is not available on other trading platforms. You have video tutorials right here as well. You have all videos, you have the basics, contracts trading, margin trading, technical analysis is also there. I love it. Fundamental analysis is also available here. So those are going to be very, very helpful for the newbies as well as the intermediate users. And of course, if you are a professional trader, those are still going to be very, very valuable to just remind you of all those stuff. Maybe you forgot something, or maybe there's something that would also definitely be very, very helpful for you to add up to your technical analysis. And all of those are available in the video tutorial. So again, guys, make sure to go ahead and check them out. Of course, make sure to follow all the social media platforms. You have their Telegram, and you also have their X right here. That way, when they have updates, announcements, airdrops, giveaways, anything, and basically everything about the project, you will always be informed. And if you're new to the channel, hopefully you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, click that bell. That will always be notified when I upload new videos like this in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out.